Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to take a panoramic photo with the iPhone 13 Pro. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss out on any helpful iPhone 13 tutorials. And if you have the new iPhone 13, have you sold your old phone yet? Make sure you go to MrMoneyPhone.com to get the best price on your old phone. Now let's get started. First, open up your camera app. And then you're going to want to swipe to the right to go to the Pano option. Now you want to go to the far left of where you want to start your panoramic photo and click the capture button. And now you want to slowly move right while keeping this arrow in the middle as close to the middle yellow line as you possibly can, and go the entire way over until you've captured the entire panoramic photo that you want to take. And now if we open that photo up, you can see that it's taken a panoramic photo. And that is it. That is how you take a panoramic photo on the iPhone 13 Pro.